Hello, and welcome to Holistic Healing Choices YouTube channel, with what will be mainly your host, me, Robert Murphy. Now, Holistic Healing Choices is a little clinic in Orange, New South Wales, Australia. But what we aim to do with this YouTube channel is to extend out to a massive audience. We aim to try out various different therapies and road test them so that you can get a unique perspective on all things health, whether it be fitness, nutrition, motivation, talking about different therapies, different apps that you can get on your smartphone designed to make you healthier, happier, smarter, all delivered with a uniquely down-to-earth perspective. So this isn't going to be like most of those health channels where I have my own agenda or opinion or anything out there to try and drive you towards the therapies I believe in. No, we're going to try broaden your minds so that you can make the right choice to holistically heal yourself, whether that be massage, whether that be neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, EFT, Reiki, crystals, oils, what have you. We want to try them all. We want to try all the apps, the meditations, the books, everything to help you make the right choices for you while staying nice and grounded. There will be rants, there will be podcasts, there will be us talking to other health professionals as well during our journeys along, as well as our own opinion. And please note that it is an opinion. We want to start a discussion about health. This isn't going to be a version of my voice is louder than yours, so therefore I win. No, we're going to take this and we're going to run with it. Start to change the mindset on alternate therapies as well as Western medicine. So strap in, enjoy the rest of the channel, and I'll see you around.